To build a better start menu, we have to tear down the old one. We need a clean slate. Right now, the start menu is probably a mess of pre-installed bloatware, apps you opened once 3 months ago, and that recommended section. That's anything but. Let's start with pinned apps. This is that grid at the top where icons for the Microsoft Store, Mail, and maybe even TikTok. There is IG just sitting there taking up space. We're about to do a very satisfying digital purge. For every single app in that pin section, we are going to right click and select unpin from the start menu. Don't overthink it, just unpin everything. Seriously, everything. We have to clear out the noise before we can focus on what's important. It's like emptying a messy drawer before you put organizers in. You have to take it all out first. As you unpin each one, you will feel a sense of control coming back. We are telling Windows what she wants to see and not what it thinks it should see. Once your pinned area is a beautiful empty void, it's time to tackle the biggest offender, the recommended section.